welcome you to another of my video on YouTube. As you know, my name is DopeSoft, and if you have been following my previous videos, we created the home page and also created another page. Alright, also created another page, and you can actually follow the process I using creating the about page to create other pages for your website. It's pretty easy. Alright, it's pretty easy. So right here we're going to create the login page. Alright, login form. So please do like, share and subscribe. Also click on the notification bell icon to get notified when I create what? A new video. Cool. I know I'm talking fast, right? Yeah, kind of. So we'll come here and we say login.html. Alright, say enter. Now we'll come to our index.html and copy this. Alright, let's copy this. Alright, let's copy this. Say Ctrl C. Come here. I will paste it in our login.html. Alright, say enter. D, enter. D, enter. Body, enter. HTML. What does this say? Alright, so I actually want to change this class name banner. Right, I want to change this class name banner because I don't want, I've already worked on it on CSS and it's affecting what the index of HTML, and I want to change the email image. Alright, I don't want to use same image I used in that banner, so I will change it. I will use the class name tech. Alright, use the class name tech. Now let's save this shit and come to our CSS. Let's come to our CSS and we say dot tech. Alright, dot tech. Now let's go to the top and take this information from banner. Take this information from banner. Let's say Ctrl C. Now let's go back down and paste the information here. Paste the information here and change this image. Yeah, this image I want to change this image. Change the image. Yeah, put this one. Alright, let's save this. Let's save this. Now let's go to the website and check on it. Cool. We can see that it's actually looking good. Alright, so it's looking good. Now let's create our form. Alright, let's create our form. Come here. Right in turn, we say open a div. Alright, open a div here with the class name form. Alright, class name form. Then we close this div right here. Alright, then we have our h2. We'll say login here. Alright, login here. Then we have our input with the type email. Alright, type email, name email. We come here on our placeholder, we say enter email here. Alright, you can actually just say enter email or just email. Alright, now let's close this and let's copy this. Copy this. Sorry, I want to copy just this. Alright, just this only. And let's see on here. I'll paste it here also. Alright, paste it here. Now let's change this to password. Change this also to password. Alright, change to password. And our placeholder we say enter password here. password. Sorry, password here. Alright, enter password here. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, all done is let's create a button. Alright, create a button with the class name dope. Alright, I already worked on the class name dope on our CSS, so whatever I've designed there would actually affect it. Let's close this share and open a link, a href, and we'll link this to our index.html. Sorry, here the HTML. Alright, link it to our index.html. Now we close it. I will say login. Alright, let's say login. Cool. Now we're gonna create a class name link. Alright, class name link. Let's close this shit here, over here. Alright, that's cool. I'll say don't have an account. An account. Then we put a break here. Let's put our link a href and this thing is alright. There's this one, we say sign up. Sorry, sign up. Let's close this again. Sign up. Here I actually separated it so that this sign up would be the only link. Alright, not the sign up here, the whole sign up here, just this one. Alright, so come down, create another class name CWDS. Alright, and we'll close this and we say login with. Alright, login with. You can actually skip that if you want to. Alright, you can actually skip that if you want to. And we'll come to our CSS file. Alright, come to our CSS file. Okay, let's check this up on the site. Alright, let's check this up on the site. Refresh the site. Alright, cool. You can see what we're having here. Alright, you can see that we can be able to type on it. Alright, we have our login here. I don't want to click it. If I click it, it takes us to the home page, so I don't want to click it yet. Alright, let's finish working. So that once we finish working, I'll click on it and we'll see how it works. We have this here. You see why I separated it? Yeah. So right now let's get to styling it. Alright, go to style the CSS and say dot form. We open this share here and let's make our width. Let's make our width 250 px. Alright, and our height, let's make our height 380. Alright, and let's make our background, let's make it black. Shift 00. Yeah, that's black. Yeah, let's make our position absolute. Alright, and top, enter. Say top. Let's make 850 px here. That's gonna be cool. And our left, our left, sorry, let's make it 500 px. All right, 500 px. Enter. Let's make our border radius 10 px. All right, and our padding, let's make it 25. Let's save this and check it up on the website. All right, cool. So we have it in the middle here. Let's still bring it, let's still shift it this way. I think shift it and bring it down a little. So we say left, let's make left 550, and top, let's make top 40. And just say, let's refresh this. Okay, let's make top 60. Alright, guess it's cool like this. Alright, it's cool. Then let's work on our H2. Alright, so say dot form H2. Open this, hit enter. Alright, let's make the width, let's make our width to 20 px. Alright, let's bring this down. Let me see what we're doing. Okay, let's make our width to 20 px, and our font family, let's make it sans serif. And let's make text align center. Alright, our color, let's make our color, sorry, I didn't want to choose that before. I need white. Let's make our color white. And font size 22 px, and let's make the background color, let's make it white. But since we're making this background color white, let's make this guy black. Let's make it black. Alright, cool. Then our border radius, let's make it 10 px. Alright, then our margin, let's make it 2 px. Then our padding, let's make it 8 px. Alright, so let's save this up and refresh. Cool. You can see it. We just worked on this and this. So let's go to our input. So come here and say dot form input. Alright, input, enter. Let's make the width Let's make the width 240 px. Alright, and let's make our height 35 px. 35 px. Let's make our background. Let's make our background transparent. Alright, let's make it transparent. You can actually put any color you want, but I really want it transparent. Alright, then let's make our border bottom 1 px solid aqua. Alright, enter. Then let's make our border top none. Alright, and let's make our border right none also. Border right none. Let's make our border left none. Border left none. And our color white. Alright, color white. Alright, then our font size, we'll leave that out. Our font size, let's make our font size 15 px, and our letter spacing, let's make our letter spacing 1 px. Alright, and our margin top, let's make it 30 px. Alright, and the font family sans serif. Alright, now let's save this shit and leave it up on the website. Cool, that's good. Alright, that's good. Cool. Yeah, this didn't show because I put I here. It's supposed to be 1 px, right? We'll type wrongly. Now let's save this. Now let's save this and check it up on the website. Should show now. Yeah, this is the color I used here, aqua. It didn't show the first time because I put I instead of 1. Alright, any little mistake you make on programming would actually affect it a lot. Alright, so we go to, okay, let's talk of the focus first. Input focus first before we go to our placeholder. Input focus, outline none. Alright, outline none. Cool. So let's go to our placeholder. Alright, our placeholder. Cool. And we make the color white. So let's use #ff. Cool, make color white, and the font family sans serif also. Alright, now let's save this shit. You can see it's dim here. It's kind of, I want to refresh it to be, yeah, see this shit. It's pretty cool. Alright, pretty cool. So let me clear this. Alright, clean this. Cool. So come here and we have our other class name CWDS. CWDS. Let's make our width. Let's make our width 240 px. Alright. Make our width 240 px. And our height. Let's make our height 40 px. 40 px. Alright. And our background, let's make it this color. Right, make it this color. And here's a border. Let's make our border none. Alright, let's make our border none. Our margin top. Margin top. Let's make it 30 px. Alright, let's make it 30 px. And our font size, let's make it 18 px. Font size, let's make it 18 px. 18 px. Let's make our cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Alright. And color white. Color white. And our transition. Transition. Let's make it 0.4 s. Alright, let's save this. Let's refresh the website. Cool. It's actually affecting this shade here. And I think that's not supposed to be. Okay, see the videos here. Alright, the videos here. Okay, that was the class name dope. Alright, class name dope. Let's remove this shit from there. Alright, let's remove this shit from here. Let's refresh this website. Alright, so I have this login here. So let's check the class name it's associated with on our login.html. We have this login button, that dope. Alright, so come here to our style.css.form dope. Form dope. Right, make it alright. So we actually made a mistake here. It's supposed to be dot dope. Alright, our margin top 30 px. Let's save this shit. Alright, save this shit and refresh the page. Cool, can see it here. I can see it right here. Cool. I'll come here. Let's look up our okay. So let's work on the login, this thing. So say dot dope. Sorry, go to CSS. So we say enter dot form dot dope a. Alright, let's make the color. Let me look at it on the other side. Let's make the color white. Let's make the color white. Now let's save this. I refresh. Cool, you can see it's changed now. Alright, it's changed now. So we come here. Alright, we come here and look up our website. Alright, so let's work on these. Let's work on these. Alright, let's work on these. So we'll come here and say dot form dot link. Alright, dot form dot link, and let's make our font family sans serif. Font family sans serif. Alright, and our font size 17px. Font size 17px. Alright, now let's make our padding top. Let's make it 20px. Alright, and our text align, let's make it center. Now let's save this and look it up here. Cool, you can see I successfully brought this to the center. So let's bring this also to the center here. Alright, let's bring that also to the center. So we have dot li. Let's check our login. Okay, dot cwds. Alright, cwds. Let's make the padding top. Let's make the padding top 15px. Alright, and our padding bottom 10px. Alright, 10px. Alright, and our text outline, let's make it center. Alright, cool. Let's check this up on the website. Alright, so pretty cool. Let me put something inside here. Come to the end of HTML and actually just leave it that way. Or we could actually just remove it, since we've got no logos to put. You can actually put, after putting your login, we can actually put logos at the bottom and link those logos to your different social media pages. Alright, so let's refresh this. Cool, so we have just this. Alright, we have just this. This sign up is still like this. I don't want it like this. Alright, I don't want it like this. So I will actually work on it. Let's come to style.css. So say dot form dot link a. Alright, from the link a. So let's make our text decoration. None. Let's make the color this that I've been using since. Now let's save this and check it up. Cool. You can see what we have here. Alright, so successfully created our login page. Alright, so let's put in informations and login. Alright, let's put in informations and login. An email, dope soft at gmail.com. Alright, enter my password here. Alright, so let me log in. Cool, took me to the home page. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell icon to get notified when I create a new video. Bye. Not bye, because I'll be back with a new video.